So first, I would like you to tell me, something about you, what you do, and what are you currently doing.
So first of all, I would like to say thank you for this golden opportunity and thank you Vibha and Abhishek for this beautiful opening. So hello everyone, my name is Ashi Jain and I'm currently in 11th grade, a Teach for India alumni, and I'm currently studying commerce and I am supporting myself in education with the NGO called Clay Lab Education, and there I am a student leader as well.
Thank you, Ashi. My next question to you is, when you hear the term success, what comes to your mind?
So basically, success in my life, I have seen a lot of kind of success. Everyone have different kind of terms. Like everyone is living in different kind of environment, so they come up as different opinions for success. But for me, I see success in various aspects. It's just not being becoming rich or becoming having millions of followers. It's one aspect of success. It is success, but there are several aspects as well in success. For me, I feel like achieving something, you overcome a challenge, and you achieve something that feeling of so basically success, I feel it's your own. When you feel that you have achieved something, that feeling of achieving something, it's a success. And everyone in their life, maybe you will feel some failures, but every day you get up early in the morning and you are like, yes, I'm today as well ready, that I will give my best. That feeling that every day you are feeling even after the failure, that's your own success that you have come up through. So there are several aspects as well, so I would keep it till here. Yeah.
Thank you, Ashi, for that wonderful answer. And so thank you. So my next question to you is, Ashi, that have you been watching our past success stories live? And if you have, so can you share some of your takeaways from them?
Yes, like I have been watching your series, like when you since the day you have started, I have watched some part of every series, and I feel like that you are bringing the people actually which we can connect, and it's a golden opportunity that we can actually see that the people who have already succeed, how they have experienced and how the experience like the success feel like. So there are one two takeaways that I get from from watching your live sessions. So first one is we are there are two things I feel from which we can learn. First is experiences and second is book. And I think experiences, either ours or either someone else, it's the best way to learn. And from those experiences I get to know that how someone has actually lived their life. I will get to know that not my life is easy, not someone else. Everyone faces some challenges, but we need to show that how can we come up them and how can we turn them into opportunities, how can we keep on believing ourselves. So I think the takeaway was that I was feeling a lot confident about myself, that yes, people other than me have also faced challenges. I'm not the only one. And the second thing is, when in future we do something similar to that, or the people who have shared their challenges, maybe we that knowledge that we have stored in our mind, maybe in future we actually use them. So it's a good way.
Wonderful, loving it, loving the conversation that's happening. I have the next question, which is, what is your big, what do you aspire to be?
So basically, the first, the best dream of my life is becoming the best version of myself. Every day, I feel like what can I add more to my personality? What are the some skills that I'm lacking? And every day, what can I do actually to fill myself with those skills? So I feel that that thing I keep on expiring, and that's something it will not be achieved even after the day when it would be my last day of life. Even then also I would feel like what I can actually add to myself. And the second thing is I have chosen commerce. So in future I would be I want to join management sector. I want to work in human resources, where I can actually meet with people in different kind of companies, and I can share my point of view of how to run a business and how can I actually help people, like what I've learned from my life, what I've actually seen in life. I want a time to see when people will actually come to me for the consultant, that they would consult that Ashi, I want to know this. So I become that kind, like I aspire to become something like that. Yeah.
That's so amazing, Ashi, that you look forward to creating change. So my next question to you is, so as you mentioned that you want to work on management sector, but still,
Yeah.
I would like to know that where are you right now on the path of your dream?
So basically, like I want to tell one personal experience of mine. From my school, we have got an opportunity where we can actually, start our own business. We get seed money from our school, and we can actually, take took that money, use our own mind, and run up a business. So from there, I have took that opportunity where I can, actually learn that how to run a business, even from a small money, and then. I think that I have converted that, opportunity a way of learning for myself. Yeah.
So, as you mentioned, like we are talking about your dreams and your future plans. So, it's very important for us to celebrate our day-to-day little bit success as well. So, I would like to know, do you celebrate your little milestones? And if you do so, how do you celebrate them?
Yes, of course, I celebrate my like milestone, whatever I have achieved. I share it with my family, with my friends who actually feel good about me. There are a lot of people who also say bad things as well, but I just keep it aside, and I just focus on positivity. How can I actually focus on positive comments and not just just exclude the negative comments? I celebrate, like I make something like a food item that makes me feel good. That way I celebrate my small achievement or something. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Ashi, for sharing that. So I would also like to know that what keeps you going each day. Like you are sharing about that you want to improve yourself, you are sharing that you want to go in management business. So what keeps you going, and what gives you motivation to get up each day and walk towards your dream, and maintain your academics as well.
Yeah, like nice question. So like something which keeps on going me every day. I feel like the source where I have come through from my parents. They are the first reason why I am doing something. Like everything that I do it for myself as well and for my parents as well, because they are the real source of real source of energy and love for me. They encourage me that Ashi, yes, you can do it, you should actually participate in something. I think that motivation even of my friends, like Vibha, you are also my friend, you keeps on motivating me that yes Ashi, I know you can do it. I think I am surrounded with so much of good people who are I can name that who are my people, who keeps on motivating me that yes you can do it. And also myself as well, when I see I do something, saw a success in it, like I have did something, it turns out to be 100%. So that's that feeling that I can do something, that also keeps on motivating me, and that keeps me that yes, you have to stand up every day for yourself and face that jitni bhi tigers are, you have to face it every day.
Actually, I have a question for you. So, I would like to ask you that is there anything or any advice that you would like to give anyone who is walking towards their dream and who is just thinking to do something big in their life?
Yeah, like I would happy to give that. So like I have learned from my teachers and from my own experiences, I would like to tell that, and I would consist it from one to three topics only. So first thing is that change, always believe that change is the only constant thing you can see, whether it's nature or you yourself. Change is something that you will see every day. You can't expect something to be the same, exactly the same, even after 10 days or even 10 years. So I think you need to accept that reality and then start ahead. And then second thing is always and always believe in yourself. When you start believing in yourself, around the rest of the things that you see from in the world or around you, you start attracting yourself. And when you believe in yourself, that inner confidence comes out on your face, and it really shows that you are actually confident, and you have actually passionate about something, about your dream career. It could be anything. It could be singing, dancing, or even it could be teaching. And there are a lot of professions. And in nowadays, I think it we have created such a good thing that on Instagram we can we can, like, कोई भी चीज you are doing, you can take it to a very high level. Like, you start making reels, whether it's for food blogging, whether it's for styling, dancing, singing. It's a very good platform that we are getting. So I think if you have that opportunity, you should use that opportunity. And do whatever you want. Like, if you have something dream, give your best 100% to it. Do whatever you want, and like, so that your dream can actually come into reality. Don't just forget what other people are saying. If they are saying positive, then grasp it. But people will always be there who would, if you are going up, they will they will say that don't go up. They will just hold on to you. And I think that's the sign of you are actually growing. When you start growing, people are feeling jealous. A lot of people feel jealous, and that's a sign that you are actually growing. And just ignore the people who are demotivating you. Just focus on the people who actually motivate you and who are actually your people. So yeah, this was the advice I wanted to give to the youth.
That's so great, Ashi.
Yeah, I have a question. I think the last question that I had got Vibha addressed already. So I have a new question for you from me, which is, what is that best advice that someone gave to you and that you have been following thoroughly? What is that one best advice?
Yeah. So there was my teacher who always said that the most important thing is consistency. If you are consistent, even if the water is consistent, it could make lines, or it could break stones. So you need to be consistent. Am I audible? Okay, so you
You are.
need to be consistent in whatever thing you are doing, whether you are putting your small effort, big effort. But one day, I'm pretty much sure that even the small stone, if you are adding each day to yourself, now one day it will come out to be a mountain. So I think that's the most important thing that I heard that my teacher told me, and I'm carrying it till now.
Thank you everyone for joining me. It was really nice to have Ashi today here. And it was really nice to have you today here. And I would like to say ki do join more live sessions with us to the audience and keep supporting us. And if you like our content, so make sure to follow us and check them out. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone. Good night.